Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we will discuss boots planter ideas for gardening. There is something truly magical about repurposing old items into charming garden decor. One of my favorite projects is transforming old boots into unique planters. They bring a whimsical touch to any garden space and are a fantastic way to recycle. Let's dive into the world of boots planters and explore how to make the most of these quirky containers. Choosing the right boots. First thing, you need to find the right pair of boots. Almost any type of boot will work, from old rain boots to worn out hiking boots. The more weathered and character filled they are, the better. Look for boots that are sturdy and have a bit of life left in them. If you don't have any at home, thrift stores often have plenty of options at very responsible prices. Preparing the boots. Once you have your boots, it is time to prepare them for planting. Start by cleaning them thoroughly. Remove any dirt or debris and let them dry completely. Next, you will need to create drainage holes. This is crucial to prevent water from pooling at the bottom and causing root. Use a drill or a nail to make several holes in the soles of the boots. If the boots are particularly tough, you might need to ask for a bit of help and use a stronger tool. Now comes the fun part. Selecting your plants. Boots planters are perfect for a variety of plants, but they work especially well with small, shallow-rooted plants. Think of cheerful annuals like pansies, petunias, and marigolds. Herbs such as thyme, mint, and parsley also thrive in these unique containers. If you want a more permanent display, consider succulents or small perennials that don't require much water. Planting the boots. Before planting, add a layer of small stones or gravel to the bottom of the boots to improve drainage. Then fill the boots with a good quality potted mix. Gently place your plants into the soil, making sure not to overcrowd them. Press the soil down lightly around the plants to secure them in place. Water the boots well after planting to help the soil settle around the roots. Displaying your boots planters. The beauty of boots planters is their versatility. You can place them almost anywhere in your garden or even inside your home. Arrange them on your porch steps, line them up along a garden path, or hang them on a fence for a vertical garden effect. Grouping several boots together can create a charming display, especially if you use boots of different sizes and colors. For an added touch of whimsy, you can even paint the boots in bright colors or patterns. Maintenance tips. Boot planters require a bit of care to maintain their looking best. Because they are small, they can dry out quickly, so regular watering is essential. However, be careful not to overwater, especially if you are using succulents. Fertilize the plants occasionally to keep them healthy and vibrant. And don't forget to check the boots periodically for wear and tear. If they start to fall apart, you can always transfer the plants to new containers or give the boots a bit of a makeover with some creative patching. So here is my final thoughts. Turning old boots into planters is a delightful way to add personality and charm to your garden. It is also a wonderful project to do with children or friends as it combines creativity with a bit of practical gardening. So, the next time you find a pair of old boots, don't throw them away. Instead, give them a new life as a whimsical planters that will bring joy and color to your garden space.